Hello everyone, it's Pamela Yumnam. I'm going to show how I conducted germination experiment comparing different cutting methods. In this experiment, I'm going to do in two different treatment groups. The material required for the experiments are healthy mulberry plant, cutting tool, growing medium, 2 polybag as a container, IBA solution as a plant growth hormone, and a text and a label for marking different treatment groups. Now, let's come to the procedure of the experiment. Firstly, we have to select the healthy plant and prepare cutting of uniform size with at least 3 to 5 knots. After the cutting, we have to dip the base of its cutting into IBA solution of the assigned concentration, that is 500 to 1000 ppm for 10 to 15 seconds. For the control group, dip the cutting into distilled water. After the applications of IBA, we have to place the cutting into the suitable growing media in two polybags, one for the IBA treatment and one for the control treatment. Now come the watering and the care of the cutting. We have to maintain the appropriate humidity, temperature, and the light conditions, and we have to keep the medium moist but not the waterlogged to prevent rotting of the cutting. The last part of the procedure is that the observations of the cutting. Weekly observations should be met and measure the shoot growth and the overall health of the cuttings. After the procedure of the experiment, here come the observation that I made within the 3 weeks. In the first week, for the IBA treatment, there is a swelling at the base of the cuttings is observed, and for the control treatment, similar swelling is noted. In the second week, for the IBA treatment, one cutting developed roots, and for the control treatment, all the 3 cuttings saw root initiation. In the third weeks, for the IBA treatment, very few cuttings develop shoots, and for the control treatment, moderate success is shown with the healthy roots and shoots. As per the observation I made, what I can conclude and compare for both IBA and control treatment is that even though both shows the best result, control treatment shows much faster rooting and root initiation as compared to IBA treatment, which shows slower development, which might be due to lower concentration.